You are in the Dream Factory. This is a prototyping laboratory where new products are created from various upcycling materials and discarded items. If you have innovative ideas, you can use advanced equipment in Dream Factory. The Dream Factory is mainly used by tenant companies. If you know how to use the equipment, you can reserve a space and use them. The Dream Factory is a paid facility. Membership costs 50,000 Korean won per month. A daily pass for non-members costs 10,000 Korean won. Payments are accepted by cards only. This space contains large-scale equipment. All users are required to complete safety training provided by the Seoul Upcycling Plaza to prevent unforeseeable accidents. The Dream Factory is a creative space consisting of 6 sections: woodworking room, sewing room, CNC machine room, plastic processing room, laser processing room, and output zone. It is equipped with approximately 40 types of equipment. Please keep in mind that real work is often in progress. Exercise caution and avoid disturbing the workers. To the right of the information desk in woodworking room, it features 9 types of equipment, including table saws, scroll saws, and sliding angle cutters for cutting wood into desired shapes. Disc sanders are also available to smooth cut edges and surfaces. In woodworking room, you can make items like tables, chairs, and props using wood. A dust collection system is installed to keep the workspace clean and comfortable. Sewing room is located straight ahead and is equipped with machines for sewing a variety of fabrics, awning materials, and recycled leather. Specialized sewing machines, such as total feed and top and bottom feed machines, are available for stitching thick leather products and tent fabrics. These machines are highly utilized by tenant companies. The next space is CNC machine room. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. Wood or metal is cut by a computer-controlled machine with numerical data. The tree and cat tower displayed at the entrance of the Dream Factory are examples of items created using CNC equipment. A natural license is required to operate CNC machines. Please consult the Dream Factory manager if you need an assistance. Plastic processing room is equipped with grinders and 3D printers that allow users to shred, melt, and mold plastic into desired shapes. The tubes on the wall are dust collectors that remove harmful substances released during the processing of plastic materials. Laser processing room houses laser cutting machines. These machines can cut or engrave materials such as wood, leather, and acrylic by burning their surfaces or etching designs and text based on input drawings and output values. Output zone includes a plotter printer, vinyl cutter, and UV flatbed printer. UV flatbed printer is used for printing on glass, wood, acrylic, paper, and other materials up to 1 centimeter thick. Plotter printer is suitable for creating large-scale prints such as informational posters on paper, film, or sheets. Objects created at the Dream Factory can be photographed in the photo zone. In addition to supporting creative activities using various upcycled materials, the Dream Factory offers upcycling educational programs, seminars, and workshops. You can apply to participate via the website or social media. You can also purchase upcycling materials at the material bank located on the basement level, B1, and use them to create your own projects at the Dream Factory. For further information on usage and inquiries, please refer to the announcements on the website or contact the information desk. Thank you.